If you're like me in this economy, I started doing my own nails. Actually, I started using press-ons. So I usually still need some kind of a drill to kind of clean off the top of my nails and also the cuticle area just to make sure that it's ready to go for application. But this was actually sent to me for review and I don't have one of these, so I was really excited to get one. So this is a cordless electric nail drill, and you can see how thin it is, because I don't know if you've gone to the nail salon, but you know how like thick and bulky they are, how loud they are. So this one's supposed to be pretty quiet, so I'm excited to test it out, but it looks pretty thin again, and you can switch directions on this. If you need to go to the left or to the right, you can change that. So it does look really good even out of the package. It also says that it has low vibration and quiet operation. You have 5 different speeds of adjustment, and then you also have an LED screen. So let's get out of the package and see what it looks like. So here it is out of the package, and look at how beautiful that is. So it has this like gold, it's like almost like a champagne gold look, but it is beautiful. And you have the buttons here, so I'm just gonna turn it on so you can hear it. But that is super quiet, so definitely, and then once we get the piece on the top, we'll definitely test it out to see how quiet that is. But you can see here that there is the LED screen that you have here. So that will help you in changing settings as you're adjusting it. So you also get this. So again, this is gonna be the top part that you're gonna put on the drill. So you can see just how beautiful that is, nice and tapered as well, to again, help you really get into the nitty-gritty areas on your nails. You do have these as well, and you have quite a few of these because these are definitely the ones that you're gonna use, you know, if you wanna make sure that you're smoothing the nail out, you have a lot of these included. It does come with a little brush, which I like as well, because you know when you're using drills generally on your nails, there's dust that goes everywhere. So you want to make sure that you're cleaning off your nails. So that was included as well. And then you have this little box here, this little container that has some different options that you can actually put on the drill. So you have a lot of versatility in here. So again, if you're looking specifically to clean up the area around your cuticles, you might want to use these over here. And then these are just different options as well. So again, if you want to kind of buff out the nail, you can see this one is kind of more soft. So you do have a lot of different attachments that you can leverage with this, which is awesome. You can just switch them out as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what are some of the options with this itself, like the speed options, and we can walk through that as well. So it does also come with this, which I really like. I'm an avid traveler. I'm always on the road. So I love having something like this that I can simply take this with me. So if I do need to make a touch up on my nails, I have this, and it's nice and small and easy to take with you. So that was appreciated also. It does come with a user manual. Anytime you have anything tech, it's appreciated if you have a manual just to kind of let you know how exactly you need to use it. You do have a charging cable in here. I didn't notice one in the box, so it might be over here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Okay, I got it. So this is a USB to USB-C connector, as you can see there. So just in case when you're ready to charge it, but again, you can use this until it dies and then you charge it and you're good to go. So here we have the manual. So again, and I really like that it gives you information about each of the attachments, right? Because there might be specific reasons why you use one over the other. So it does give you information about that, which is awesome. I have the drill right here, and you can see that I did put an attachment on the top. So really easy to operate. So just to turn it on, you want to just do a long press. And again, so quiet. I love that. So this is going to be the one that you use this button right here in the middle. So if you want it to go reverse, so if you want it to go clockwise versus counterclockwise, you just want to toggle this button here in the middle, and you can do that. You also have your speed button. So that's going to be this one up top, but you can see you have up to 5 speeds. So you can hear the different options, right, as you're going through. So you have up to 5, and that's gonna be, again, you can change the head and then adjust the speed as necessary. And then to turn it off, all you have to do is just go ahead and hit this and just do a long press and you turn it off. So super easy to use, very versatile. And I love that you have so many different attachments because you can really, really do a lot of work on your nail. For me specifically, I really like this attachment because this one you can use to kind of go around your nail. And again, just to make sure that you're getting, if there's any, hang nails or any, thick cuticles, you can help remove those. But it is very easy to operate. It feels very, very good in your hands. And again, you can adjust the speed as needed. So this is gonna make my nail care routine so much easier. But yes, so happy to have this. And again, you have so many different attachments that you can go through.